Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Monday.com to Power BI. Monday.com is a cloud-based work operating system designed to help teams manage their work projects and workflows. It provides a flexible platform that allows users to plan, organize, and track tasks and projects in a highly visual and customizable way. It is used by businesses of all sizes and across various industries to improve efficiency, transparency, and collaboration. The first thing that you'll need to do is to open Monday.com on your device and sign in to your account. Now, at the upper right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the menu button. Look for the Explore section and click on App Marketplace under it. This will take you to the App Marketplace of Monday.com. Now, in here, search for Power BI and click on Enter. Now, click on Power BI Connector by AlphaServe. And here, click on the Install App button. Now select which workspace to use Power BI. You can use it on all workspaces or specific workspaces under your account. Once you've selected a workspace, just click on the install button, and before you can complete the installation, you need to select the dashboard where you want to install the Power BI widget. Now, since I don't have a dashboard yet on my workspace, I'll just go ahead and create one. After that, go back to the app marketplace and search for the Power BI application again to finish your setup and install Power BI to your dashboard. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest updates.